Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial. 1 year ago today I did my first ever YouTube video. So my first video was a Valentine's look tutorial. It was more of a pink look. So today I thought I'd change it up a little bit. I did a smoky eye with some gold shimmer and then I did a bright red lip. The classic red for Valentine. I hope you enjoy the video. I am going to be starting frequently uploading videos from now on. I know you've heard it from me a few times. But me and my boyfriend split up and I had a few problems with like getting computer and things like that to edit and things. So I've got everything back. I'm going to be uploading again from now on. I have really missed doing YouTube videos and stuff like that, so I can't wait to get back at it and actually start uploading and showing you a lot of content again like I was before. If you want to see how I got this look, then please carry on watching. And as always, if you do like the video, subscribe and like and comment on the video. It would be much appreciated. Thank you. So I've already filled in my eyebrows and I've concealed around them to define them a little bit more. I used my Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the shade Ebony. So I'm going to be using two different palettes today for my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this Morphe palette. You have to excuse it because it is a mess. But this one, it's got so many different colours in and I love using it. It's literally my go-to palette at the minute. And I'm using the new Urban Decay one as well, which one's this one. And then you slide it out and it's got all the shimmers. And I'm probably going to focus more on this half today, so more of the bronzy and goldy shades. First I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush. It doesn't have a number because it comes in a set, but it's just this fluffy blending brush. And I'm going to be focusing on more of these kind of shades and the browns. So I'm focusing above my crease and on the outer V, and I'm going to try and leave my lid available for the shimmer in a minute. So I'm just going to deepen this up. I like to use this brush to start off with, and then I use another kind of blending brush just to blend it all in together. So from this palette I'm thinking about using this gold one here. I don't know if it's too yellowy or not, so I'm going to give it a go, and if it's too yellow I'm going to move on to the one next to it, which is more of a bronzy colour. I've put Fix Plus already on my brush, so I'm just going to dab into it. I haven't tried this one yet either, so it'd be interesting to see what I think of it as well, so it's kind of like a first impressions. I think this shade Glory is a little bit too yellow for this look, so I'm going to try and blend in this Starfire colour as well, which is like a bronzy kind of colour. I'm going to try and blend that in with it as well, maybe in the middle. So I really like these two colours together, so I've done like the more of a goldy yellow in the inner corner, and then I've blended it out with like a kind of bronzy rose gold kind of colour, and then I've faded it into the matte shadow. I really like this look and I think it goes really nicely with the Valentine's theme. I'm going to go back in with a brown and just deepen this up and just blend it into the shimmer. So now I've done this eye, I'm going to move on to the other one and then I'll be right. So now that I've finished my eyes, I'm going to do my under eye. So I'm going to use the same brown that I've been using to deepen up my outer V, and I'm just going to do that on my bottom lash line. So while I'm waiting for my lashes to get a bit more tacky, I'm going to be just taking this mascara. It's called Ultimate Black Mascara by Lash Perfect. I got it sent it in my glossy box, so I'm just going to apply that. Lately I've been wearing eyelashes every day because for some reason when I put mascara on, my eyelashes just don't extend at all. I don't know if it's the mascara I'm using, but I've got so many different mascaras that I've been trying to use and nothing seems to work. So I've just been putting up fake eyelashes on every day, which is kind of frustrating because it's so much effort. But I mean, I'm kind of used to it now, so it doesn't really make too much of a difference. But it is frustrating having to do it every day. So I'm popping on these lashes by Unicorn Lashes. These are my absolute favourite. So my lashes are on. I'm just going to put a bit more mascara on my bottom lashes. My eye area and my brows are completely done. I'm going to move to my face next. So I'm going to be using this primer. This also came in a glossy box, I think a couple months ago actually. It's Green Tea Primer. And I really like it. It's meant to be Prep and Protect. As you can see, I've got fake tan on. I don't tan my face because I put foundation on, so there's no point to me. I don't really see the reason to, and I always wear makeup, so it doesn't really make a difference to me if I put it on my face or not. But I will be using one of my darker foundations today, obviously because I've got my fake tan on. So I'm just getting my beauty blender and just blending in my neck before anything else.
I wish there was another way.
So as you can see, my neck is covered in foundation and my face is not, so they are a different colour quite clearly. Now I've got it on my face, I'm just going to blend it all out.
Tomorrow is another day. Try to take the pain away. Sometimes I want to run away. I wish there was another way. Tomorrow is another day. Try to take the pain away. Sometimes I want to.
So all my foundation is now blended in, as you can see, and it kind of matches my skin. Not really, but it's the best I've got right now. So now I'm going to conceal under my eyes. I'm using this MUA Cover and Conceal concealer. It is nearly gone and it's very light, so I'm not really sure this is the best idea, but I'm going to go for it anyway.
Run away. Run away.
Then I'm going to take a beauty blender and just blend it in. These beauty blenders are from Real Techniques, by the way, if you were wondering. They are really, really good. I love this one because it's a different shape, so you can get different things. So like I use this sometimes for my foundation or powder. I use this bit for my concealer because you can get in the corners a little bit more. I'm going to be going in with my RCMA powder. This one's really good and I definitely recommend it. And I literally use it every day. I actually powder my whole face with it. So once I've powdered my full face, I feel like there's no like shape to my face now. So I go in with my bronzer, my Hoola bronzer by Benefit. I use this brush every day for my bronzer just because it's just the perfect shape for me. So usually when I'm bronzing, I'll do my cheekbones and then I will do the top of my head as well. And then I go down and just do under here as well. It's meant to make you look slimmer if you do it under here, but I don't really see a difference, but you know, I may as well continue doing it just in case anyone else sees a difference. So now taking the angled part of my beauty blender, I just put a line under my bronzer. That just sharpens out the line completely once I blend it away. I'm going to go in with my Jeffree Star Skin Frost, and this one is in the shade Ice Cold. So I've got this Real Techniques brush, this one's like a setting brush. Don't know, but it's a really nice shape. It's like the perfect size for highlight.
Run away.
I have a smaller version of the Real Techniques brush and I just go in and do my inner highlight. Now all I have left to do is my lipstick. So I'm going in with Jeffree Star's Checkmate. This is a really, really bright red, like almost too bright to wear out, if you know what I mean. Like I have a few I have a lot of red lipsticks, and they're all kind of different shades. I have darker ones, lighter ones, brighter ones. But this one is like probably the brightest one I have. I do have Mary Jo K, which I usually use, which is Kylie Jenner one. But that is at my friend's house, so I'm going to use this one for now. If I don't like it, I will take it off and use a different one, but I think I don't get to really use this one very often, so seeing as it's Valentine's Day and it's all about red and love and all that rubbish, I'm gonna use it. So this is the finished look. I don't know if the lipstick's a little bit too bright, but I'm going to work with it because I do really like this lip colour, and I mean it's Valentine's Day, so why not? So I will definitely be recording from now on and trying to be consistent with my videos on YouTube. I mean, new year, new me, so I'm going to just go in and start doing my videos again because I do enjoy doing them, and I know a lot of you do like watching them. I get quite a lot of messages from yours, so it's really nice to see that people do want me to start doing it again, so I thought I do enjoy it, so why not? I hope you all do enjoy your Valentine's with whoever you spend it with. I will be spending it alone with my cat, but yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Me but won't say it. If I told you I'm leaving, you would be so devastated. And I don't want no bullshit excuse.